Yes, student. Today we are starting our new chapter, Basic Geometrical Concept. Lesson number 12. Let us start. Basic Chapter 12, Basic Geometrical Concept. Student, in this chapter, you will learn about point, lines, ray, line segment, angles. So, today we are starting point. What is point? Student, a point has no length, no breadth. It is a point. Okay. Now second, line. What is line? A line has no end point. We can extend a line from this side and from this side, from both sides. What is the example of line? Road is the example of line. Road is the example of line. We can walk on road this side and this side. Now ray. What? A ray has one end point. This, see, it is end point. We cannot extend it from here. Arrow means we can move forward, but it is end point. We cannot move forward. So a ray has one end point. What is the example of ray? Sun rays. Sun rays are the example of ray. Next one is line segment. A line segment has two end points. These two dots are end point. We cannot extend it from here and from here. And suppose scale. A scale is the example of line segment. It has fixed length. We cannot move here, we cannot move here. Fixed length. Now next topic is angle. Student, angle, suppose I have one ray and second ray. I have two rays. Now this end point, this end point. I am Yes, student, I have two rays. This end point, this end point. I am joining these two end points here. See here, I have joined here this end point and this end point. Now it is an angle. It is an angle. When two rays meet at same point, they make an angle. So this is a ray and this is a ray. And we have to put arrow. When we are making angle, that time we have to put arrow here. And it is one end point. And it is, this dot is the vertex. And this and this and this, these are arms of angles. Now we have, I will tell how many angles we have. Yes. First is acute angle. An acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Student, first of all, I will tell you how we measure angle. We measure angle with the help of protractor. A protractor has number, we have two scale in protractor, inside and outside, two scale. Now inside scale we have right to left. Numbers are right to left, 0, 10, 20, at last 180. And outside scale, this is from left side to right side, 0, 10, 20, 30, at last we have 180. And this is the base of, student, this is the base of this line. This line is the base of protractor. We use a protractor to measure the angle. And we measure angle in degree. And this is, student, this is the sign of, this small 0 is the sign of degree. Now an acute, what is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degrees. See student, degree, it is degree. and less than 90 degree. Now I will measure the angle. Students, see here. It is our first ray and it is our second ray. Now I am arranging my protector this point on my end point. Yes, it is the angle of 40 degrees. See, this is 40. We have to check our inner scale. It is our inner scale, it is outside scale. So student, it is near 40. It is the angle of 40 degree and I have written it here 40 degree. Now second angle is, now I am arranging my protector here. It is the angle of 70. See, it is my first ray and my second ray is under the 70 degrees. So it is the angle of 70 degree. So any angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Now second is right angle. An angle whose measures is 90 degree, exact 90 degree, accurate, is called right angle. See, first ray, second ray. Now I am arranging my protector here. Yes, see here 90 degree and my ray is under the 90 degree. So it is the angle of 90 degree, it is right angle. And it is the sign of, student, it is the sign of angle. This is the sign of angle. And when we make right angle, that time we make it straight, like this, straight. Now it is also first ray, second ray. I am arranging my protector here. See, under 90 degree. So it is also 90 degree. Third angle is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle, an angle whose measures is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Student, greater than 90 and less than 180. So I am making an angle here. I am constructing angle here. First ray, second ray. I am arranging my protector here. See, 130. It is the angle of 130. Now this one, this is the angle of 150. So any angle whose measures is less than 180 and more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. An angle whose measures is 180 degree is called a straight angle. See, it is our first ray, student, it is our second ray. Now these two rays are straight. So I am arranging my protector here. It is our joining point. Now my first ray is here and second ray is near 180. Straight line. So it is called straight angle. Yes, student. Today we have learned about line, ray, line segment, angle and types of angle. Student, it is enough for today. Student, you all will practice all of these angles and it is a homework. Good day.